Topics. Topic 1. Squaring of numbers between 50 and 6. Topic 2. Multiplication of numbers with a series of similar digits in multiplier. Let's start. Topic 1. Squaring of numbers between 50 and 60. Squaring the numbers 57. We can find the answer to the question. Add 25 to the digit in the units place and put it as the left-hand part of the answer. Square the digits in the units place, that is 7, and put it as the right-hand part of the answer. The complete answer is 3249. Let's take one more example. Find the square of 52. In this case, we add 25 to the digit in the units place, that is 2, and put the answer in LHS as 27. Next, we square 2 and get the answer 4, which will we put on the RH, so the complete answer is 2704. Topic 2. Multiplication of numbers with a series of similar digits in multiplier. Multiply 333 by 222. Now, carefully observe the logic that we apply in this case. 333 by 222 is the same as multiplication of 666 by 111. So we multiply 666 by 111. We write down the digit in the units place 6 as it is in the answer. We move to the left and add 6 plus 6. We move to the left and add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1 equals 19, maximum 3 digits. We move to the left and add 6 plus 6 plus 1 equals 13. We move to the left, add 6 plus 1 equals 7. So final answer is 73926.
Ma'am, I have one question. What will be the answer if we multiply 41 by 33?
Let's start. Now carefully observe the logic that we apply in this case. Multiplication of 41 by 33 is the same as multiplication of 123 by 11. We write down the digit in the units place 3 as it is in the answer. We move to the left and add 3 plus 2 equals 5. We move to the left and add 2 plus 1. We take the last digit 1 and write down as it is. So the final answer is 1353.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.